Redlining was a term coined by John McKnight in the 1960s to describe the discriminatory practice in which banks or insurance companies refuse or limit loans, mortgages, etc., to certain racial groups within specific geographic areas, especially inner city neighborhoods. Neighborhoods were categorized into 4 different zones: green, blue, yellow, and red, and in that order decreased from best to worst areas. This helped the government decide which properties were eligible for Federal Housing Administration or FHA backing. Today, there are still similar policies that are used to restrict loans to certain racial groups. Because schools are usually funded by local property taxes, schools in these neighborhoods are not properly funded, and healthcare is not as accessible due to the lack of choices or distance in these areas. Public schools fundings are most commonly based on property taxes from that community. Many states still have large disparities in the cost per student from neighborhood to neighborhood. Moreover, schools in a red zone may have a higher teacher turnover rate due to frustrations with fewer resources for students or less pay, lower quality facilities, and even fewer extracurricular activities. In contrast, students in wealthier neighborhoods benefit from a plethora of opportunities that allow them to advance to higher education and, in turn, qualifying for better jobs and making more money.